Silk painting supplies for beginners can be as simple as a bit of dye for the silk, a texta pen or a marker pen which has permanent ink, and in this case I also used some water-based outliner. Hi, this is Teena Hughes from howtopaintonsilk.com. Today I'm doodling with silk, and I just wanted to show you some very basic things that you can do, especially if you're a beginner. Here I mixed 2 teaspoons of water-based outliner and half a teaspoon of dye, and I painted them on the silk and let them dry. Then I grabbed an identi pen and I started to outline the flower, and then I did a bigger flower. And it was very messy because I was using some older products and I wasn't intending for this to be a masterpiece. It wasn't going to be hung in a museum anywhere or an art gallery, that's for sure. No, it's just me, what I call doodling on the silk. And it's just a matter of letting your mind go free, putting down some colour, grabbing some other tools, and just having a go. So as you can see, I've done the outline on this smaller flower, and then I've added some dots around the outside, and I quite like the effect of it, even though it's not a masterpiece, as I said before. So these little black circles or dots that I'm calling them, it's just embellishing, it's just adding some details. And even though the majority of silk artists would say, oh my gosh, what on earth is she doing? It's such a mess. That's okay, because you know what? We can do whatever we like in the privacy of our own home. So I just wanted especially beginners to realise that you can just play. And these markers that I'm using, this one here, this very thick one, it's a Staedtler, a German pen, and it has a very thick nib and it's permanent. So it's just a matter of playing and seeing what you can come up with. So I'm just trying to take away the fear for anyone who's starting out. And yes, there are going to be times when you're going to want to do beautiful designs, and they'll be very precise and gorgeous, and that's going to be absolutely wonderful. But in the meantime, go ahead and play, or like me, just doodle. So doodling on the silk is just like doodling on a piece of paper, just with silk dye instead. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I'm about to launch some new classes, so I'll be able to tell you about those as well. So this is Teena Hughes from howtopaintonsilk.com, and if you'd like to download a PDF of tips for newbies, pop over to my website, howtopaintonsilk.com, and just type into the search box tips for beginners. I'll even put newbies there as well, so you can put tips for newbies too. Okay, cheerio. Have a fabulous week, whatever you're doing with your silk painting or your artistic pursuits, and I'll see you soon. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.